I can see.
All right, you can see it now. All right, so last time, all right, let's continue our lesson here on page 13. Okay, so let's have, okay, so let's have number page 13. Okay, let's have this one. Okay, tell me if you can see it clear, okay? Okay, can you see it clear? Okay, so let's have this one. Okay, so let's continue the sounds delicious. Okay, so let me ask you some question. Okay, are you ready now?
Yes,
Okay, so first question. Okay, what food or can you cook food, Fong?
yes, I can.
Yes, you can. So is there a special dish you can make?
Mm, I can make omelette.
Omelet, wow. That's nice. Okay, what else can you make or can you cook?
I can make omelette, pasta, noodle.
Oh, noodles. Wow, is it pasta noodles or instant noodles?
Noodle, I think it is spaghetti.
Ah, spaghetti. Wow, you can cook spaghetti too.
Yes,
Wow, that's nice. All right, thank you so much. All right, now let's move on to question number 2. So, what are your favorite main dish? Omelette, your main dish.
Mendes.
Yeah, your favorite main dish.
My favorite Mendes is meat,
Meat and
fish.
fish. Wow. Is it fried meat? Fried
Yes,
fish. Wow. Okay, that's nice. Okay, thank you so much again for sharing. Now let's have question number 3. What are your favorite desserts and snacks?
my favorite dishes is apple.
Apples and how about dessert? Like
Yes.
cookies.
Ah,
Yeah, cookies, ice cream,
ice cream.
cakes. Did
I
you?
like ice cream and music.
Wow, ice cream. What flavored of an ice cream do you like to eat?
My favorite ice cream I want to eat is chocolate or vanilla.
Wow, chocolate and vanilla.
Yes,
Wow. So that is uh nice flavor. Or that is delicious flavored. Okay, thank you so much for sharing. What about in chocolate? What flavored of chocolate do you like?
my favorite chocolate. Oh, can you
Yeah.
say
Oh, yeah. Flavored of the sorry. What is your favorite cake flavored?
cake?
Yeah, cake.
Can you write on chat?
Ah, yeah, sure. So cake. All right, here. Cake flavored. Oops. Why I can't make it? Okay, one moment. Cake.
Ah,
Yeah, what flavored of cake? So in ice cream, you like chocolate and vanilla flavor. How about for cake? What flavor do you like to eat?
I like animal.
Any? Any flavored?
Any more candy?
Sorry. Can you say it again? Any flavored? All right, that's great. Okay, thank you so much for that. And how about snacks? What snacks do you eat? Is it like pancake, pizza, pasta, burger, hamburger, like that? So that will called snacks. How about you? What is your favorite snacks?
My favorite snack is burger.
Burger. Wow. Is it with tomatoes, with
Lettuce.
cucumber, lettuce, right?
Yes.
Oh, that's great. Okay, so thank you so much. Okay, so let's have okay, so hamburger. Oh, oh, why are you searching here? All right, I'm sorry. Okay, let's have okay, so let's have how about drinks? What drinks do you like to drink?
Wings.
Yeah, drinks.
My favorite drink is apple juice
Uh-huh.
or
Ah,
Revive.
wow, apple juice and
Revive.
oh, that's great. Okay, thank you so much for that. Okay, so yeah, let's look at please look at this these pictures. All right, but first let's have a conversation here. So let's have a role play. Okay, so first I will read A, you will read B, A and C. Okay? Okay, let's start. Can you cook? Is there a special dish you can make?
I can cook. I can make kiwi with milk.
That's not cooking. I can really cook. My best dish is vegetable stew.
I can cook, but I would really like to learn.
What are your favorite dishes? A main dish.
My favorite main dishes are tempura and paella.
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 Okay, paella.
Paella.
Okay, very good. Okay, next. I love tempura too. And I like all kinds of pasta.
What are your favorite dishes?
My favorite dessert is pudding.
My favorite dessert and snack is chocolate and chip cookies.
Are there any food and drinks you have all time?
In my family, we always have fish for breakfast.
We
We
don't we don't eat fish for breakfast, but we have fish every Friday night for dinner. All right. Now let me ask you some question. All right. So, do you eat do you eat cereal with milk?
no,
No.
what it is? I don't know.
Uh okay, let me share to you. Okay, one moment, let me share. So
Can
cereal, okay. Cereal and milk. Okay, like this one. So cereal and milk. So yeah, sometimes they have yeah, or this one. Yeah, this there has a lot of cereals. All right. So this is some cereal. So that is oh, I'm sorry. The dog at the other side or the other house is nice. Okay, so yeah. Have you eat this one? Do you eat cereal and milk?
No.
No. Okay. So that was so like it's an instant food if you are hungry. So some people or most of the people in uh Asian Asian people eat that food. So yeah, that is instant food. So sometimes my children also eat those food if they don't have any choice to eat. All right. So, okay, thank you so much. Okay, now let's have okay, how about tempura and paella? Oh, sorry. How about tempura and paella? Do you eat tempura and paella? Or do you know paella and tempura?
No, can I say a picture?
Yeah, sure. Okay, let's have, okay, let me share again. Oh, okay, so paella or tempura. So this is tempura. Tempura is kind of prunes. Tempura. Okay, so a bit loading. Yeah, do you know this one? Tempura. So this is prunes or uh shrimp. Yeah, I know. Yeah, I forget you are allergy. You have allergy to shrimp, right? You have allergy to shrimp. This is shrimp.
Shrimp? Oh,
Yes.
yes.
Yeah, you know this one? But you are allergy for shrimp, right?
Yes.
Okay, so the one that I'm asking is paella.
Paella.
Yeah, paella. So this is a sticky rice with or color yellow sticky rice. Yeah, so they put a lot of ingredients or yeah, this one. This is paella. So that is rice or a sticky rice with a lot of ingredients like pork, chicken, pork liver, shrimp. If you like seafood, okay. So if you like seafood, you can put seafood like mussel, shrimp, different kinds of seafood, crabs. Yeah. But if you like meat, so you can put pork, uh, vegetables also. You can put vegetables, carrot, beans. Yes. All right. Do you have any questions?
No.
Okay, now questions. How about pasta? Do you eat pasta?
Yes.
What kind of pasta do you eat?
I eat meat pasta.
Meat pasta. Wow, with meatballs?
Yes.
Yes. Okay, thank you so much. How about pudding? Do you eat pudding?
No.
No. All right. So, yeah. Okay, thank you so much for that. Okay. Do you have any questions?
No.
No questions. All right, let's move on.
Just a minute.
Yeah, sure. Okay, let's have this one. Okay, can you hear me?
Yes, I
All
can.
right. So, okay. So let's have 3B going out to be eat or going out to eat. All right. Do you usually let me ask you some question. Do you and your family go out for eat sometimes or always?
My family sometimes go to eat out.
Outside. Oh, all right. So, okay. So this time, so imagine you're in a cafe. So here, let's read the menu and decide what to order. Okay? So um this is what how is it? The cafeteria or the cafe or the restaurant name. So Ida's International Cafe. Okay, so let's read the appetizer. Can you read? Hello?
Yes.
Hello? Can you hear me?
Yes.
Oh, okay. Yeah, can you read the appetizer? Sushi.
Can you say again?
Yeah, can you read the appetizer or can you read the menu?
Sushi, a selection of Japanese style raw fish on rice.
Main dish. Main dish.
Bibimbap, pot of mixed vegetable rice and egg mixed with a spicy Korean sauce.
Okay, very good. How about hamburger and fries?
100% beef hamburger with large order of fries, an American classic.
Classic. Say classic.
Classic.
Okay, very good. Next. Okay,
Mexican,
fajitas.
Mexican style spicy beef grilled with onion and green pepper, served with
Tortillas.
tortillas.
Okay, say it again. Mexican style
Mexican style spicy
spicy beef
beef
grilled.
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 Okay, very good. All right, good job. So let's have dessert. French
French
crepe
crepes
served with lemon juice.
served with lemon juice and fruit.
Okay, very good. Now, how about drinks?
With
Drinks,
iced tea,
carrot
orange
juice,
juice, lemonade,
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 mineral water.
mineral water, orange juice,
Juice. Okay, very good. Now, let's have dim sum.
steamed of fried Chinese dumplings, meat, seafood, or vegetable.
Okay, say it again. Steamed of fried Chinese dumplings.
Steamed of fried Chinese dumplings, meat, seafood, or
Veg-
vegetable.
Okay, very good. So for their special, okay, they have lamb kebab. Spicy.
Spicy lamb grilled on sticks, served with salad and Turkish bread.
Okay, so fijoda. Fijoda.
Spicy Brazilian style with teams meat and vegetables served with rice.
Okay, very good. Next.
Pad Thai, stir-fry rice noodles, cream and vegetable, a true taste of Thailand.
Wow. Okay, pad thai. Okay, next.
Exotic ice cream sampler, windrow, coconut and green tea.
Okay, so exotic ice cream sampler. So ginger, coconut, and green tea. All right, so that's it. All right, now let me ask you something. Okay, so based on the menu, all right, so for this dessert, okay, for the appetizer, what do you usually have?
I usually have hamburger and fries.
Oh, hamburger and fries. All right, and how about for main dish?
Mendes, I
Mhm.
usually have fish and meat.
Ah, fish and meat. Wow, that's nice. All right, next, how about for dessert?
I usually have ice cream and music.
Oh, ice cream. All right, now how about drinks?
I usually have music and water.
Oh. Okay, next. How about, do you eat dim sum? A dumpling? Do you eat
I
dim sum? No? Ah, all right. So that is a dumpling meat, okay, and vegetable inside. So that is a Chinese dumpling. Okay, so they like to eat that for their yes. Okay, now let's have, all right. So kebab, do you know lamb? Lamb? Do you know lamb?
no, I don't know.
Sheep.
Sheep?
Yeah, sheep. Do you eat
What?
sheep?
No.
Oh, no. Okay. So that food is usually served in Italian and sa other countries, of course. So I think, yeah, you have there maybe, but you maybe didn't eat it. All right. Now, how about Thai food? Do you eat Thai food?
No.
No?
No.
Okay. All right. So thank you so much. All right. Now let's move on. Okay. So let's have, all right, a vocabulary here. Okay. Sorry. Let's have a conversation, I mean. Okay. So what are you going to have?
I am very hungry. I will try the dim sum, the vouchers, and an iced tea.
Okay. Fajitas. Fajitas. Oh, hello?
Hi.
Oh, yeah. I think my laptop is hanging. Okay. One moment, please. All right. Okay. Okay, maybe let's. Okay, I will share to you on my Google maybe. Yeah, it's not working. Okay, one moment.
I am I am pretty hungry. I think I will try the dim sum, the vouchers, and an iced tea.
Okay, fajitas and iced tea. All right, I want something light. Maybe I'll just get the sushi and dessert.
Hi.
All right. Okay, I'm sorry. All right. So here, so you like, okay, so that's all for the conversation. Okay, let's have a switch rule. So you will read A and I will read B. Okay? Thanks. Okay, let's move on. Okay, can you read A?
What are you going to have?
I'm pretty hungry. I think I'll try to dim sum and fajitas and iced tea.
I want something light. Maybe I will with the sushi and a dessert.
Okay, and a dessert. Say dessert. Say it dessert.
Dessert.
Okay, very good. All right. So, okay, it's hanging. Okay, one moment. Let me transfer my. Okay. All right, that's it. Okay, so let's have the next one. So, what are you going to have? I'm pretty hungry. I think I'll try the dim sum and fajitas and iced tea. So I want light. Maybe I'll just have sushi and dessert. All right, so let's move on to pair our letter B, pair work. So now you imagine you can catch only have only $20. Okay, do you want to change your mind? Okay, let's have a small conversation here. Okay, so let's have a small conversation. So I will read A, you will read B, I will read A. Okay? Okay, so we have only $20. Do you want to change your mind?
If we order the same main dish, we only pay for one.
Okay, let's get the same main dish. Then we can order an appetizer. All right, this time let's switch rule. So you will read A, I will read B. All right, let's start.
We each have only $20. Do you want to change your mind?
If we order the same main dish, we only pay one for one.
Okay, let's create the same menu. Then we can order uh, a pizza. Or
Appetizer. Say appetizer.
a appetizer.
Yes, say it. Say it again. Appetizer.
Appetizer.
Okay, appetizer.
Appetizer.
Okay, very good. All right, so let's have okay. Okay, now let's have C. Okay, could you read it? What do you suggest for someone who? Okay, can you say it? What do you
Do you
suggest?
suggest for someone who enjoys spicy food?
Very good. Who? What? What do you suggest for someone who loves fried food?
What
What?
do you suggest for someone who loves fried food?
Fried food. Say fried
Fried
food.
food.
Okay, next. What?
Fried food.
Uh-huh.
What do you suggest for someone who is on a diet?
Diet.
Diet
Okay. All right. Next. What do you suggest for someone who,
is on a diet.
yes, on a diet? All right. How about the last one? The last word or the word and phrases. What do you suggest for someone who doesn't eat meat?
What do
What?
you suggest for someone who doesn't eat meat?
Okay, very good. All right, this time, okay, so I will ask you some questions about the questions above. Okay, let me ask you some question. How about you, Pong? What do you suggest for someone who enjoys eating spicy food?
So for someone who enjoys spicy food,
Mhm.
I
What do
would
you,
recommend first.
okay,
Uh,
sorry, what will you recommend?
hmm?
I'd recommend
I
fajitas.
recommend first.
Ah,
Uh, hmm.
okay, there's nothing. So fajitas. Now, how about you? If only you, all right. If I like or I enjoy eat spicy food. What food will you recommend to me?
What
I
do you?
Yeah, you. How
Ah,
about you? What will you recommend to me to eat Like, because I like spicy food. So what will you recommend to me? Okay. What food will you recommend to me?
I
I
recommend my lovers fried foods.
what food is it?
Fried food.
Fried
Food.
fried fruit?
Yes.
Oh,
Fried
I like
food.
fried fish.
Yes, it like
Oh, I like spicy. Do you know some food taste spicy?
a tteokbokki.
Tapoke?
Oh,
Is that spicy food?
yes.
Oh, all right. Okay, now second question. What do you suggest for someone who loves fried food? Okay, like example, I like fried food. What will you recommend to me? Or what would you like recommend to me?
I recommend. I don't know.
You don't know?
Can I say
Okay.
example?
Sorry?
Can I say example?
Example. Yeah, sure. Right. So let me share to you. So I think you can say I recommend you to have French fries. It's also fried, right? So fried food. Ooh, wow. Fried food like fried chicken, fried fish, fried meat.
Ah,
Yeah, so those are kinds of fries. So if, like example, your friend like eating fries or fried food, what will you recommend to her or him? Yeah, this is kind of fried food. So there has fried onion. All right, this one. This is a example of fried food. Okay.
yes.
Okay, so what will you recommend to me if I like fried food?
If I like fried food, I will like fried chicken, fried
Uh,
fish, fried meat, fried
uh-huh.
fried potatoes.
Fried potatoes. Okay, so you can say, I'd recommend fried chicken, fried fish. Can you say it? I'd recommend.
I recommend fried chicken, fried fish, fried potato.
Okay.
Tomato.
All right. That's great. Thank you so much for the recommendation. Okay. Maybe I will X this one. So let's have this one. Yeah, it's too hanging. Okay. Okay, one moment. I will share it to you again. How about if I am on diet? What will you recommend to me? I'm on diet. Like,
I say example. I
Yeah.
don't know diet.
Oh, diet is I'm not eating a lot of food because I don't like to become a fatty person. Yeah, so that called fat or diet. Okay, so here is okay here diet. You like to see diet. Diet. Diet means oh, I'm sorry. So diet. Diet. So diet means this one.
Ăn kiêng.
Uh-huh. Do you know it?
Yes.
Yes. So what will you recommend me if I'm on diet?
I
What
think
food?
salad.
Salad. Uh-huh. Is it vegetable salad or fruit salad?
Vegetable salad.
Yes, vegetable salad. Okay, thank you so much for the recommendation. How about what will you recommend to me if I'm not eating meat?
Can you say again?
Yeah, meat. What will you recommend to me if I'm not eating meat?
If you're not eating
I
meat,
or I what will you recommend to me if I am not or I doesn't or I don't eat meat?
I recommend
I'd recommend
salad
salad. Uh-huh. Yeah. What
and
else?
vegetable.
Vegetables. Yes, that's correct. Okay, very good. All right.
Vegetable noodle.
Mhm. Vegetable and noodles.
Yes.
Yeah, that's correct.
Bún
Okay.
chay.
Okay, thank you so much for that. All right, do you have any questions here?
No.
No questions. All right, let's have let's have um activity 2. Okay, so here so these people are in a restaurant. So what do you think they're saying right in the right on your passage? Okay, one more thing.
Just a minute.
Okay.
I am waiting.
All right. Okay. Can you hear me?
Yes.
All right. I'm sorry. Okay, I got a coughing. Okay, so here, so let us think, or let's have, or you will make a conversation using the picture. Okay. What do you think he's saying in the first picture?
I
Okay.
think he's saying welcome a table for two.
I'll say that sounds good for me. And in the next picture, I think he says, what do you think he says in the second pictures? I
What
think,
would you like in the next picture? What would you like?
okay, in the second picture, what do you think he is saying? So in
What
the
would
first in the first picture, he says, welcome, table for two. Okay, so the two girls said, yeah, that sounds good for me. Okay, then they sit on the table, right? Okay, they sit on the table. What do you think should this boy said to these two ladies?
I think in the next picture he say what would you like to eat?
Yeah, what would you like to order? Is it?
Oh yes.
Yes, what would you like to order? Okay, very good. Now, let's have number three. What do you think he said? This lady. What do you think he say?
She say or he say?
She says what?
I think she say to order food.
Mm-hmm. Yeah, you think she is ready to order the food, right?
Yes.
Okay, very good. Now let's have number four. Okay, do you think what the girl said to the man? Mhm. What do you think they are saying?
She say I would like to eat blah blah blah.
Yeah, she said, um, I want
I want
to
to
order.
to order blah blah blah.
Blah blah blah. Okay.
Yes.
Okay, so let me put some text on the first picture. So he says,
Welcome welcome to
come.
table for two.
All right. Welcome. Uh, table. Table for two. Mhm. Okay, next. He said,
He said, what would you like to order?
all right, what? Okay, what would you like?
To order.
Okay, very good. Next is, he said,
He said, I want to order blah blah.
so maybe he is calling the waiter, right? So, waiter.